everyone, I am RaDona from Boys and Girls Hairstyles. Today I have Angela with me. She's a super sweet friend that I met from my YouTube channel, and she has been coming for quite some time now. She's absolutely gorgeous inside and out, and she is. She's excellent. So, but I want to show you her beautiful haircut. We do a number 4. She likes the clippers, nice and easy. She loves it easy. And so we're just gonna start here in the back. And then I'll show you how to tighten this around the edges in a little bit. How long did we go this time in between haircuts? Do you remember?
I think it was 4 weeks.
Is it 4? So you can see.
It was a lot.
Yes, exactly. Like her hair definitely grows like a weed. So you can see how much is coming off in just 4 weeks, just from the back. So, okay. All right, let me set that aside. And then we're gonna start up here on the top. And we have been leaving this a little bit longer. We're still doing the short spiky up here. How's a little bit longer going? You still liking that?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so we're gonna come up here. You can see how much I'm taking off to trim this down, about 1/4 of an inch. Okay. And then Julie, her friend, always comes with her, so it's fun. Well, okay, not always, but most always. Depends. Okay, and then same on this side. We're just gonna take that length off the top so it will lift and it will be easy for her to do. You can see I'm just taking little sections down. And it's nice because after cutting this top and side, you can see when I do this, it comes right into that bottom where the clippers are. So it's really super easy to cut right here. Okay, now since we want to keep the front a little bit longer, we're going to angle kind of up a little bit, just so we're still gonna trim it, but making sure that that front stays longer. So you can see it's going up to a point, so when it falls, it's longer. You doing good, sweetie?
I'm fine.
Okay, yep, you betcha. She does go to either side. So whatever she's feeling like for the day or however her hair is going, she'll take it to one side or the other. So that's super fun for her. Just go with the day, right? Then you never have a bad hair day.
It just makes it easier. Sometimes it doesn't want to lay one way, so okay,
Right,
we'll go the other way.
I know, but see, that's what I'm telling you. Her sweet attitude, she's great. She just goes with the flow. Okay, now I'm going to take my shears and come up right here by the ear. And then of course I'll bring the clippers up here and make that all nice and clean there. And then when we dry her hair, you're going to see the gorgeous color that it is. When she first started coming, she had colored it, but she was wondering about it, and I talked her into letting it go natural. And when we dry this, you're gonna see, like, it's super gorgeous. Super gorgeous. She's lucky that she has a good natural color. Okay, so by the ear. Okay, sweet. Now what we're going to do is take, I have my blending comb, which is, it's just really tight here so you can get tight into the hair. Okay, so we're going to come in with our comb and go to this length and then come straight up and then take that length off. If you're just starting, maybe just go vertical like this instead of horizontal. You have more control and less hair to take off at a time if you do it like this. If you're a little more experienced, you can come in, go side to side, horizontal. It takes more hair off and it's a lot faster. But like I say, if you're just starting or you feel like you need a little bit more control, you can go up this way. Especially if you want to come right here to take this around the ear. That's what I would recommend. Just come in, go vertical, which is up and down. That way we can blend around this ear really nice and make this tight. Then I'm just taking my clippers. Like I said, we'll just clean that up. Okay. And then in just a minute, what I'll do is I'll turn her to the front so I can make sure that everything is blended nice and nothing is poking out, sticking out, I guess, whatever, the hair around her ears. Okay, I'm just gonna take a little bit through here. Angela has a lot of hair. So if you have a lot of hair, it sticks straight. She has really straight hair. This is perfect cut for that. So, yeah, super duper cute cut. And really easy, right?
Super easy.
We're all about the easy. Okay, so again, I'm just going to take this in by the ear. I'm going to go up. And then around the ear. Just going to bend this ear. Take the clippers around. Clean that up. Okay. And then I'm going to put her head down. And clean this up. Just come, I like to make this just a nice clean cut, just a blunt back here. And then I'm going to bring in my comb and bring it in tight. And then you can see I'm holding out my comb just a little bit, but I'm taking that length off. So that is going to make the hair shorter in the corners of the nape of her haircut, and that is going to be a lot better as it grows out. If you just leave it as is with the number 4, that's fine, but when it grows out, it's gonna get bulky and kind of stick out at the bottom, especially with her hair type. Like I said, it's more straight. She has a lot of it, but it's more straight. So it will stand out a lot here in these corners when it grows out. So if you can just tighten that up around the nape area, your client should like it so much better. Okay, so we're gonna make sure that's it. All right, now I'm gonna turn her to the mirror and make sure. All right, how we looking? Okay, so I can see, I'm just gonna bring these in a tiny bit. If you can see, they're just poking out a little bit. This is what I was talking about. I'm just gonna bring this in, take it a tiny bit shorter. I just want this to last Angela, so she's not, you know, having the hair poke out a week later.
Poke out is not a good look.
Yeah, that's right. See, no way. We like it just nice and tight. Oh. So to make it tighter, like I was saying, around her ear, wanted it a little bit shorter, means I'm going to hold the comb closer to the head. So, you know, I'd come in and I lift out, but wanting to go a little bit shorter, I've put the comb closer to her head. And that's what helps make it tighter around those areas. Okay, now what we're gonna do, texturize. Where we have connected or blended this, we are going to come through and really texturize through that blending area. This helps blend it. And with as much hair as she has, it's really good so she doesn't feel like her hair is real bushy as it grows out. Okay, now I'm kind of coming up above it, giving it texture so it will stand because she has so much of it. Okay, and then, let's see, here we are. The chunky texturizing shears, I'm just coming up through the top, tiny bit through this area, just because when it's a little longer in front, we don't want it too bulky. So I'm just taking and chunking that out just a little bit. Okay, I'm just taking the hair out of there. All right, and then one last tip is where you blend, I always like to check for corners. So I'm gonna come up here, just take off any little corner that there may be. Just making sure that when that grows out, there's not a bump, if that makes sense. So if there's a little bit of an angle and a triangle, or corner, I guess I should say, a corner, then it will poke out more as it's growing out. So if you can just take off a little bit of this corner right here, when it grows out, it will grow out a lot better and a lot more even instead of feeling like it's a little bit top heavy. Okay, sweet. Now we're going to dry it. So the Kenra mousse, the extra, love this mousse. I'm putting this throughout. You don't need a ton. Sorry, that on your forehead. Extra product, it's always fine, right?
Blends in.
Okay, and then the volume and lift spray. I'd love to add this. All right, now we are going to dry down the back. It should just dry down in its spot, obviously. Right in place because it's cut into place. Back and forth on the top. I love the Ageless Pro blow dryer. When it's about 80% dry, that's when I bring in the Epic brush and go back and forth to give it more volume. Little head massage for Angela.
Yep, best part.
now that we have it dry, I'm just gonna double check her bang area, make sure it's not too heavy. Just because it is longer, I wanna make sure that, okay, this is what I'm talking about. So you can see how this kind of seems heavy. Do you see that? It's kind of more just all grown out and straight. So I wanna bring in my shears and go on an angle and take some of that bulk out through the bang area, even though we're keeping it longer. We don't want it so long and heavy that it like is like it doesn't blend with this haircut, if that makes sense. So I'm just taking some of this out so it's not too heavy. And then use the blow dryer to get that off your face, because that's the worst when you cut dry hair and it sticks to your face. Okay, then the styling paste. Love the styling paste. It's from Sexy Hair. I just take a little fingertip and you can always add more, but I would just take a fingertip, rub it in your hands really good, and then start pulling up at the hair. Then if you need more, you can always add more. Okay, I'm gonna turn her to the mirror so I can see what we're doing.
Yay.
So cute, you're gorgeous. Sweetest person too, you guys. Like I know I keep saying that and I don't want to like embarrass you, but like cutest, gorgeous personality too.
Thank you.
You betcha. So cute. Okay, sweet. All right, so you can see how cute this is. It's very spunky and fun up through here, but yet it has this sophisticated look kind of in the front where it's kind of a little bit longer, but yet it's fun back here. So anyway, she rocks this haircut. All right, now I'm just going to spray and turn her around. That way you can see how nice and tight it is around here in the bottom. All right, I'm gonna show you guys something here too. So sometimes even color in hair can change what a haircut looks like, even though say it's the right length or whatever. Right here, I can see it needs a little bit of different cutting through that area. Just seemed too thick and not pieced out enough. So we're just taking a little bit out. So hopefully you can see the difference there. Just little things like that will make your haircut extra great. So anyway, thanks again. I really appreciate your support. I hope you're having fun with these videos. Angela, thank you. I appreciate it. You're gorgeous. And hope you guys have a phenomenal day and we will chat next time. Thank you. See ya.